Question number 305, Dr. Boora Narsaiah.
Question number 305, ma'am.
Yes, Minister.
Answer is laid on the table of the House, ma'am.
Supplementary. Supplementary.
As you know, madam, first of all, thank you for giving the opportunity. I'd like to ask the minister, tobacco is a very harmful product. First of all, in spite of the many restrictions on the tobacco products, there is lot of surrogate advertisements which is causing the many of the young and youth take up the tobacco use at the early stage. And other story is there are many tobacco farmers like in Andhra Pradesh and some other states are also suffering because of the illegal imports of the tobacco. In this, the minister has given the reply which states around 92 crores of the 92 crores 46 lakhs worth tobacco, illegal tobacco imports have been seized. This is only tip of the iceberg. Actually, the magnitude of the illegal import of the tobacco and tobacco products is much more. I would like to ask the minister, how can we totally stop this, totally curb the illegal import of the tobacco for two reasons, saving the farmers and also saving our children? Thank you.
Ma'am, the concern expressed by the honourable member is absolutely valid. There is definitely illegal import of cigarettes which are happening, about which the customs field formations have been fairly informed, and the seizures and the cases which are filed between 13-14 and also now has actually increased. I've in fact provided the answer about the number of cases which are being seized. Just for the information of the House, I'd like to know, I wish to let the members know that 1,312 cases to a value of 9,246 lakhs have been taken up in 2014-15, and that in 2015 and 16 has increased to 2,731 seizures. Of course, I can only report on those which have been declared as by the field formations of customs, and that is certainly a matter of concern. I would just add one more data to add to the concern that the member has voiced. Smuggled cigarettes which have been detected are valued at 162 crores in 2015-16, and I'm sorry to state that it is more than the legal imports. These smuggled cigarettes are valued, and they are more than the legal imports, which are valued at 126 crores in 2015-16. So illegal imports are a very, very serious concern. The government and the customs are taking a lot of measures. As regards advertisements, absolutely no advertisement is entertained on cigarettes.
Second.
Thank you, ma'am. My question is, there are many farmers who are dependent on the tobacco growing. And one way, we want to curb the tobacco use. That's affecting our farmers. And the other way, we are importing the tobacco products, which again deters our Indian industry and also tobacco farmers also. My question would be, can't we totally ban tobacco important? This is not a life-saving medicine or a life-saving equipment. Second thing is, what alternative measures are being taken so that the tobacco growing farmers are diverted to the other farming which can give them a better livelihood?
Madam, there are two aspects to this question. What alternative crops or alternative are being given to the farmers? Alternatives are being provided to the farmers, particularly in the Kharif and Rabi seasons. Crops which are being given as alternatives for the northern black soil in the NBS area, that is, heavy black soil, which consists of heavy black soil, maize, paddy, cotton, soya bean, red gram are suggested as alternative for Kharif, and for Rabi, it's Bengal gram, paddy, mustard, fodder crops are being suggested. Similarly, for the southern black or the southern light soils, and so with the northern light soil. Agriculture and the research which is taking place through the Agriculture Ministry, a lot of suggestions are given. I can always inform the member about what alternative crops are being given for the farmers. But as regards the point about imports, the concern is about the illegal imports, and for which constantly there is interaction between the Commerce Ministry and the Finance, under which the customs comes. We are trying to strengthen our borders so that illegal imports can be stopped.
Mohammed Salim.